system, 2 KONE MonoSpace MRL Tractions at Melbourne Central Shopping Centre.
Going up. Doors closing.
We'll go up to level 2. Lift number 15, maximum load 1,600 kilos, 21 persons. We'll do a cab view.
Second floor.
Macquarie Centre voice, that's
Doors
nice.
opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Door hold. I think that only holds the lift while doors are open.
Lower ground floor. Doors opening. Going up.
Look at the ground
Doors
button.
Closing.
It's Green Dewhurst US95 plus.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Where's the video here?
Doors
There
opening.
it goes. That's it.